Guys, that's the station for Venice. Venezia. We are taking our luggage now, exiting the Venice railway station and going on our way to our accommodation, the hotel that we have booked here. Guys, let me show you the view you see as soon as you step out of Venice railway station. Look at that. That's Canal Grande. So guys, we are walking with all our luggage to our hotel, and that is how many luggage pieces we have, and we have to walk 900 meters. So it's a mission that we're going to accomplish soon. Guys, going good so far. We just crossed that bridge. Almost there, almost. And we are here, the Carnival Palace. That's our accommodation, that's our hotel. And we have reached here all by ourselves without any private taxis. So yes, we have reached here and we have saved 18 euros. We have saved 18 euros. 18 euros. Guys, let me show you our room in Venice. It is very beautiful. So we are staying at Carnival Plaza and that's our room. Let me show you the best view. 1, 2, and 3. Our room is canal facing. We are gonna do wonders from here. We have not one but 2 windows. And these open as well. I can show you the view from outside as well. That is, how is it? These are the Gully of Venice. I haven't shown you the canal view yet because Nitin said कि नहीं से better आएगा वो record करना. This time I'm showing you the Gulliya now. And इसलिए I'll also not show you the outfits as well. You can only see the Gulliya abhi.
So many options to choose from. Authentic, 100% Italian.
So guys, as you can see, we are in Venice.
Living Venice. We are trying the famous homemade pasta in Galleon of Venice. Famous Instagram. We love Italy. Rialto Bridge, the height, the pride of Venice. This is the Rialto Bridge. The view is great. I love Venezia.
बस यहाँ पे पीछे से कबाब भी बन जाए. वो वाली वाइब्स आ गई जामा मस्जिद में. So guys, that's a secret spot for a great picture with Rialto Bridge. Nitin is a bit scared to go forward. This is the point. There are a few girls already there. So guys, that's the spot.
The tripod
खींच लेंगे.
Guys, this is the secret spot where you can enjoy the Rialto Bridge. That's a nice famous Limoncello Prosecco. How's it?
Good.
So guys, we're trying something new drink. A lot of people were having it, so that's why I thought maybe I give.
This is the Italy's oldest coffee shop in Venice. We didn't know when we were passing by it, so make sure you do check it out. And now it's time again to wander in this Gallia of Venice. It was full of these beautiful artistic shops. It was so tempting to shop, but we didn't get to it much. But we did enjoy exploring all the shops and the boutique brands that they have on display.
And another unique shop. It's art shop, and they have written it's since 1264. Shopping done. Venice, all set for masquerade party. Venice famous gelato parlor, Suso. We'll give it a go soon, but look at the line. Things you see in Venice. Chocolate fountain coming out of gondola. Types of pasta. All are homemade. This one. Gallery. See the brush size. So as per her, it's a golf stick. So silly.
So guys, see, it's not a real woman, it's a super realist sculptures. And on the other hand, ये देखो, इन्होंने सब गुब्बारे बना के अपने वो बना दिया है, आर्ट गैलरी. ऊपर पीछे पेन के डब्बे गिरा दिए. That's the fashion street for Venice. Chanel, Fendi, and Dior at the end. If you can see, tag here. Maybe आपका tag भी है. Is that Louis Philippe? No, Lord.
Louis Philippe इंडिया का ब्रांड है.
अरे sorry नहीं वो Patek Philippe क्या है वो?
Patek Philippe.
वो Saint Laurent.
What a good decoration of Louis Vuitton showroom.
Show them from that side.
See, amazing.
Balenciaga, Cartier, Bottega, Miu Miu, Prada. यहाँ पे भी सीशेल से डेकोरेट कर रखा है Prada पे. Beautiful as well. There's so many shops, man. Yeah. And this is Piazza San Marco, one of the most touristy spot in Venice, and it has one of the oldest coffee shop of Italy and a very famous basilica.
So guys, निकिता के ऊपर बीट कर दी है कबूतर ने, and now she doesn't have a hanky and she is look. हाँ, so आपको लगता है मैं उसे हैंकी देना चाहिए? So guys, मैंने देखा अपने टिश्यू दिया उसे और एक ही बात है, मैंने रखा था. हाँ मैं So guys, this is 1750 cafe, the Europe's most expensive coffees. Cafe Florian. It's open in 1720 and it's charged like €7 for the espresso and then American at €12. But in the evening, if you come, you have to pay €6 per person.
Guys, as Nitin doesn't tell you the entire story, so yes, this is the oldest cafe of Venice, Cafe Florian. It's a very nice vibes, I would say, like it's on that Venice hotspot in just front of the Basilica Church. So it's authentic cafe, very like the oldest cafe. and they also play music by the night, for which they charge €6 per person extra. So
guys, that's a gondola price in Venice. During the day it's €90 and during the sunset it's €110.
So guys, we are heading to Grand Canal. उसमें वैसे बंद क्यों लगा रखा है, देखते हैं, पर चलो. On one side it says Servizio Gondole, on the other it says Traghetto Santa Maria del Giglio. Away. It's open only from 9 to 3. €2 per person. So guys, we missed our €2 gondola ride because it was only until 3 p.m. But make sure you don't miss it. So guys, €4 Aperols with a nice view. And those people are paying €8 or €9 for that view which they are seeing from far above, और हम block भी कर रहे हैं. But it's not only us. There are many people sitting with us on the pier.
So guys, we had already 2 Aperol, and this is our 3rd Aperol. Sitting near the canal, Grand Canal or Rialto Bridge. One tip: take a takeaway Aperol because it's cheaper than if you wanna sit and drink there. That's like a €8 drink if you wanna sit and drink, but if you want to do it in takeaway, it's €4. Grazie.
Guys, that's how lively the streets are of Venice. We have had 3 Aperols per person. Nitin is still holding all the 6 glasses. And we are finding our way to have some food. क्या? अभी तो 20,000 स्टेप्स होते हैं इटली में, तो फिर ये ब्रिज क्रॉस कर लेते हैं ना. ब्रिज क्रॉस करके कुछ ना कुछ तो आएगा ही. So guys, हम सूसो तो पहुंच गए, but we just want to have something before आइसक्रीम. तो let's go आगे एंड देखते हैं ना कुछ टेक अवे में कुछ हो खाने को. तो सूसो आने से पहले फनी नेम गैस, और कुछ होना हो पर बर्गर किंग तो ज़रूर है. So we actually ended up having ice cream before our dinner, but who cares when you are in Italy? The ice cream was delicious and we had a takeaway pasta which we enjoyed in our hotel room.
So guys, this is the fast train of Italy. We are taking this train to go to the Florence, but you can catch this train to Rome, Milan and other parts of Italy. Very high speed. Let's see कितनी maximum speed पे जाती है. And this is Venezia St. Lucia platform. Ciao.